Love it, man.
Pop that. Hey guys, it's vibeswithnea. Welcome back to my channel. So today, we're kind of doing a clean with me / bathroom makeover. I thought it'd be a cool video to film. It's on overdue. I haven't cleaned the bathroom in a little while. I've been had the stuff to do the makeover. I just have yet to do the video. So, I mean, I got time before work, so why not just go ahead and do it? You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started in the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at TANE_A_, and follow me. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm gonna start off by, sorry, you can hear the washing machine in the back. I'm gonna start off by kind of taking stuff out the bathroom so we can clean. So I got like makeup right here, and then over here I have this shelf with like all this hair stuff, and I have some stuff you can't really see in the shower too. Not a lot, and there's some stuff toward the bottom of it. But yeah, I'm gonna start by taking some stuff out of the bathroom. Also, I did like a mini paint job, but these walls are like really weird. I got tired of doing layers, so I just was like, forget it. It looks better than it looked before. So we just gonna leave it alone, okay? So let's just take all this stuff out.
Where you come from? Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you...
I still have the paint can in here. Sweep in here. I just want to take a second. I walked in the room to get the broom and dustpan. She was watching the Dante Wright funeral service, and I just want to take a second out to say Black Lives Matter. That was a horrible situation that should have never happened. I don't know how you confuse a freaking taser with a gun and you're in the force for 26 years. Make it make sense, but rest in peace, Dante Wright. Rest in peace to all the people who keep getting killed by the police. Black Lives Matter, all Black Lives Matter. But anyway, on a lighter note, I'm gonna go ahead and start sweeping the floor.
Oh, hello, Papa.
Where you go, where you come from? Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my words dance look like daisies. We can be some, we can be some. You need some, you need some. Need a reason, we don't need a reason. There's just something about it. You can take your time with me. Slow down, we ain't in a rush. And girl, you got me feeling brand new. Hope I'm not doing too much. Where you go, where you come from? Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my words dance look like daisies. Where you go, where you come from? Stick around, I can show you some.
Okay, y'all, we on the decoration part of the bathroom. So everything I bought together was around $100. It was under 100, but it was around there. I actually forgot because I actually bought this stuff like 2 months ago and just been procrastinating. But I'm kind of going for like a airy kind of plant theme. I don't know how to explain it. Just a very like minimalistic plant theme, okay? So I'm leaving the same shower curtain that I originally had, which is this one right here with the green plants right here. Okay, and then I got these rugs to go on the floor. I bought this painting to hang in here. This is from Ross. The rugs are also from Ross. And I got a soap dispenser with the matching toothbrush holder. This is also from Ross. I got 2 of these. These are from Five Below. This is from Five Below. It's a little garden. This is also from Five Below. I got this from Five Below. I thought I had one more of these, but I don't know where it went. And then another rug, which I don't know if I'm gonna use or not. So yeah, let's just figure out how we're gonna decorate. I don't know how I feel about that yet. Where should we put these? I don't know where I want to put these at. Up here. Put like 2 of these. I was also like, what if I like leave it on here? Cheese, jewelry, my Hoku. He is just a tea. Take the, then put it back in. Then never let him. Got the nipple tag. Alright, so I think I'm gonna put this little garden right here. Okay, so one side is supposed to be sand. Trying to make it look just like this picture right here. Look at it, it's so cute. We put it right here. Put it right there. I think this can fit right here. No. I'm gonna have to move that higher up. Let's figure out what we want to do with these rugs. Rugs look pretty good. Got another one right there. Where should we put these? I feel like putting it right here is too much. What about this little setup? Still haven't decided what we're gonna do with this though. One. We can put it on the tub. So the tub can have some kind of decoration. Okay, the bathroom has been complete. This is the little design over here. I hung up the little picture here. And then we got the tiny little setup around the counter. We switched the camera around. And then we got the 2 little rugs on the floor. Put the plants there. And then I'm keeping this shower curtain. So that was just like a cheap little basic makeover. Nothing too fancy, but you know, I just wanted to upgrade my bathroom just a little bit.
Where you come from? Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my worst days look like daisies. Where you go, where you come from? Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my worst days look like daisies. We can be some, we can be some. You and me.
Okay guys, so that concludes my little bathroom makeover. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't like a super, amazing like renovation or anything, but I just wanted to do a basic upgrade to my bathroom just to make it feel more homey, a little more airy and open. So, hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you for my next video. Remember, you're vibing out a wave, and I'm out. Vibeswithnea.